Ready to ditch that default Vercel URL and finally give your website a professional, memorable address. Let's dive into connecting a custom domain to your Vercel project in just a few easy steps. First, make sure you already own the domain you want to use. If you don't, head over to a domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap and snag the perfect name for your brand. Next, log into your Vercel account and select the project you want to connect to your custom domain. Then, navigate to the domain section of your project settings, typically found under the project settings. You'll find an input field where you can enter your desired custom domain. Type it in carefully, making sure there are no typos after you type in your domain. Click Add. Now, Vercel will present you with DNS configuration instructions. This usually involves adding specific ANSI/AME records to your domain's DNS settings at your domain registrar. Don't worry, it sounds scarier than it is. Head back to your domain registrar and find the DNS Management Section for your domain. Here, you'll add the ANSI/AME records provided by Vercel, carefully copying the values. Save the changes. Return to your Vercel dashboard. It may take some time for the DNS changes to propagate across the internet. Vercel will show a status like validating or pending. During this process, be patient. This can take up to 2,448 hours. Once the DNS records have propagated, your domain status on Vercel will update to active or connected, indicating that your custom domain is now successfully linked to your Vercel project. You should now be able to access your website through your brand new domain.